Hey, how's it going? Just wanted to show you the tiller that got snapped off on Scruffy. You can see there how it was connected. Got this plywood here, marine grey, that goes through the core into the actual rudder and connects through the center of this tiller handle. And yeah, I don't know if it was a particularly strong way of doing it. I don't know what glue was used on either side of this ply. It looks like it's just a smooth, surface here. It doesn't look like there's been much adherence or adhesive at all to this timber. So I'm not sure what to do, but I'm trying to do a quick fix, see how far it will get me. Also noticed on this side there's a screw that's gone through the tiller handle piece and into this ply. So I think maybe a better way to have done it would have to be put two large dowels through here all the way through to hold it in like that, maybe even 1, 2, 3, and then that would be a more positive connection. But I'm just going to sand these surfaces here to get any glue residue off. I'm going to use this PVA glue here and glue it just on this timber and maybe on this timber too, and see if it'll hold, just to get me out of trouble. I'll leave it for 48 hours and then test the strength of it, and if that doesn't work I'll have to resort to making a new tiller handle, taking a template of this existing one and cutting something out of it, a new piece of timber. Never done that before, so I'm trying to avoid it, but inevitably I will have to do it eventually. So yeah, here we go. Alright, it's been 24 hours since this has been on. It's not exactly in the same spot as it was, because this crack here is actually more open. It's tight in most of the places, but it's more open along the back edge here. Anyway, I'm just going to take these clamps off and test the join by applying some pressure on the tiller and see if there's any movement at all. Hopefully it's all good. Then I might even give it a good sand and put something on it. Paint it with my linseed oil mixed with tung oil. So let's give it a crack. That's pretty good. That actually feels quite solid. I'm really impressed by that. I mean, ultimately I won't really be sitting on it. I must really put some serious pressure down on it. I'm not really worried about the turning here like this when I'm port starboard movement. I'm more worried about the up and down movement of the tiller. See if I can get in the boat and put some more pressure on it. I'm using some methylated spirits here so that the paint sticks. Here you can see that I'm using mineral terps to wipe down the tiller of residue from sanding, and it's just a basic sanding job to get it back far enough so that I can retreat it. And here I've got my special mixture of tung oil and raw linseed oil, and I apply that on every exposed piece of wood on the boat, and I like it. It tends to work quite well, and it's just non-toxic as well, which is just, I love all that kind of stuff. And hopefully I can add to it another ingredient down the track to make it even better.